Make a great choice today with the 2019 Flex. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, Inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, cargo net, low tire pressure warning, compass. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.